Babies, let's change the alphabet A to Z with some color. Purple color, yellow color, light green color, silver color, red color, pink color, gold color, green color, violet color, brown color, orange color, black color. First, brown color. Brown color A for apple. B for bat. C for cake. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. H for horse. Green color I for igloo. Z for juice. K for kite. L for light. M for mango. N for necklace. O for owl. P for parrot. Orange color Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Violet color Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.